that's right. I still have this look, but it has a third update.
Yes, that's right, and we also have new characters, but they are remade.
I joined MsAgent before Victor's second laptop PC data was infected by ransomware.
So did I.
We now have cite those animations. These animations will be chosen for random reasons.
It appears that I'm not the only one who has a fight pose animation anymore. I still have this animation though.
And also, our gun animations are delayed. Now we can only fight like men.
My punch and kick animations have been updated also.
And as I said before in Victor's latest fun crack, my Pearl and Hydrokinesis are updated.
If you want to download us, don't be afraid to click on 40MASE's MsAgent host and 3 links in the description. If bad guys want to download us, who cares? We still hate them though. Everyone can download our MsAgent characters besides. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Now you're gonna gesture.
I'm going to do something else.
I'm going to the bar to see how our team, GS Eric, the KOFMUGEN1, Titan, also the KOFMUGEN1, Bruce Wayne, Zorf, Viper, and others doing.
I'm going to watch Crazy Dave's entire house again at nighttime.